I found a seed. They grew. This is a tomato. Exploration Station. Hi, I'm Alessandra. Let's plant seeds from fruit. Most fruit have seeds, but veggies don't. We need a tomato, a lemon, and a bell pepper. We also need a pencil, tweezers, spoon, soil, pots, and a spray bottle. Step 1. Ask a grown-up to cut the fruit. Hey, can you help me cut the fruit? Oh no. Step 2. Search for seeds. I found one. I found a seed. They feel like crunchy. Missed it. Step 3. Put soil into the pot. Step 4. Poke holes into the soil. And drop in the seed. Step 5. Water the seeds. Step 6. Wait to see if they grow. They grow. Seeds need soil, water, and sun to grow. This is a tomato. See you next time.